आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, so our question is a spherical capacitor has an inner sphere of radius 12 cm and an outer sphere of radius we can say 13 cm. It is given to us. The outer sphere is earthed and the inner sphere is given a charge of 2.5 microcoulomb. The space between the concentric spheres is filled with a liquid of dielectric constant 32. Determine the capacitance of the capacitor. This is first part. Second part is what is the potential of the inner sphere? As you can see, there are two spheres like this. They are concentric. Now it is given that this outer surface is connected to the earth and the inner surface is given a charge of Q, where Q is 2.5 microcoulomb. And this space is filled with the dielectric constant K. That is K is equals to 32. So first we will see first part. We know the formula for the capacitance, that will be equals to C 4 pi epsilon naught K R1 R2 divided by R1 minus R2. So this is the formula, where R1 is the radius of the outer sphere and R2 is the radius of the inner sphere. We know the value 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, that is equals to 9 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. So we will put the value, then we will get C is equals to 1 upon 9 10 to the power 9 multiply by, this is K is given as 32 and R1 is given as 13 centimeter and R2 is given as 12 centimeter. Okay, so we will put this 0.13 multiply by 0.12 divided by 0.13 minus 0.12. So we will solve this, then we will get C equals to 5.5 10 to the power minus 9 farad. So this is the first part. Now we will see second part. As you can see, this inner sphere is given a charge of Q, that is equals to 2.5 microcoulomb, and this outer sphere is connected to the earth. So the potential of this sphere will be equals to 0, and for this sphere we need to find the potential. Okay, suppose at the inner sphere the potential is V, so we will get V minus 0, that will be equals to Q divided by C, where V is the potential at the inner surface. So we will get V is equals to Q is given as 2.5 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, like this, divided by C we have calculated as 5.5 10 to the power minus 9. This will be in volt, so B will be equals to 450 volt. So this is the second part. Now we need to compare the capacitance of this capacitor with the isolated sphere of radius 12 centimeter, and also we need to explain why this later, that means the isolated sphere is much smaller. So the C part will be like, we know the isolated sphere will be like this, that means only one sphere and there will be no outer shell. So the capacitance in this case will be equals to C2, that will be equals to 4 pi epsilon naught R, where R is the radius of this sphere, isolated sphere. R is given as 12 centimeter. So we will put the values, then we will get C2, that will be equals to 1 upon 9 10 to the power 9 multiply by R. R will be 0.12 because we need to put in meters, so it will be in farad. So C2 will be equals to 1.33 10 to the power minus 11 farad. And for the given combination we have calculated already C1, that is equals to 5.5 10 to the power minus 9 farad. From this we can say C1 is much greater than C2. So the capacitance of this first arrangement will be high. So from here we can say the capacitance of the isolated sphere will be much lesser than compared to the given configuration. So we can say the potential will be much higher. So if the potential is much higher, then size of isolated will be much lesser. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।